COVID-19 swept more than 100 countries and regions in the world, and the infected people have been over 1.5 million.
More than 1 million confirmed. The restrictions many.
Almost 9,000 people in the UK
alarming
have now
news
lost
on
their
the
lives.
economy and economy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jun Zheng, the doctor of Mayo Dental in Suzhou, China. It's great pleasure to share our experience of COVID-19 prevention here. As everyone knows in China, COVID-19 broke out on January 23rd in this year. Then Wuhan was locked down. People's life and business have been affected and hit hardly by the coronavirus. Gradually, COVID-19 is being controlled. How to recover business is a problem we have to handle. Our clinic was closed for almost 2 months and reopened on March 14. Now, clinic practice based on limited appointments every day. We did well preparation before reopen. Doctors and nurses have to be trained comprehensively. Not only to protect the patients, but also for self-protection. Most importantly, a professional, efficient, and safe inspection procedure was set up in the clinic for our patients. Besides the inspection procedure, our patients, including their doctors, nurses, and accompanies, will be checked during the treatments. Furthermore, all public and waiting area in the clinic will be disinfected 4 times every day. I do hope our experience will be helpful to reopen your clinic. Let's unite as one and win this battle together. Thank you.